Well, I went down as usual in the morning to get started, you know, and I walked in on the basement floor and it went goosh. So I thought the roof was leaking, but it wasn't, and the basement had about 2 or 3 inches of water in it, and the further I walked in, the deeper I got. And I panicked. I didn't know what to do, so I called my wife, and she said to call you guys, Swartz, and that's what I did. I didn't know what to do. So when I called you guys, she said, you got to get the water out of the basement, and that's what I did, and so I fandangled a cord down and started, and then you guys come in about 2 or 3 hours and started it. You guys are very professional. You know what you're doing. I was impressed. I really was. First, they extracted the water. That took a few hours, and then they said to get to drying, and I thought, oh, there'd be just 2 or 3 fans down there. It looked like an airport, sounded like an airport, so. Well, so it done the job.
Yeah.
It done the job.
Yeah, and we were able to save.
Yes.
We didn't have to do any tear out or anything.
No, just stuff that wasn't no good. Everybody, I mean, there's no search. These guys were so nice and done the job and just bent over backwards for me. So I can't ask for more.
Yeah.
Call Swartz. That's all you got to do. They took over. They knew exactly. I asked them at first, is it going to be salvageable? And they looked and they said, it would. They didn't say yes or no, but they kind of leaned it was going to be, wasn't that bad, so.
Yeah. Was there anything else you'd like to say about the whole process?
Just call Swartz if you have water trouble. That's all you got to do.